Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the hip strip in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This road is actually called the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, but it's more popularly known as the hip strip because it has everything you need when you visit Jamaica as a tourist. You have gift shops on the left, you have hotels, you have bars, restaurants, you have Starbucks, Margaritaville, everything you need you can get right here. And it's part of the tourist thing in Jamaica, so they have private security guards and police patrolling here. So it's basically a tourist area where you can just walk up and down freely. We passed the Cameron Hotel on the right, and then this is the S Hotel, which is a Spanish Court Hotel. Then you have some other hotels on the left. Okay, the other day we made a video and I think I called the beach Doctor's Cove Beach. The correct name is Dr. Cave. So guys, thank you for pointing that out. Over here you have Starbucks coffee. And this is the beach, Doctor's Cave. Very nice beach. It's a private beach, you have to pay to use it, but it's very nice. And you can see a lot of gift shops. That's CryptoBet Jamaica. I'm not sure what they do there. If anybody knows what they do over there, let us know. CryptoBet. And there's a casino down here on the left. Now it's very nice in there. I actually went in there one day last week and I was surprised. It could possibly be the nicest games room I've ever seen in Jamaica. Now downstairs they have an area for kids where children can play those games, and upstairs, a completely different section, they have the casino part where I guess gambling goes on. But it's very nice. I mean, I was really impressed. Coral Cliff is the name of it, and then on the right where you see that orange color building, that is Margaritaville. And then on the right now we're coming up to Harmony Beach Park, which is very nice. The government recently spent millions renovating it, and the government is going to be spending billions on this hip strip. They want to make it the nicest hip strip in the Caribbean. And you know, Montego Bay is a major tourist destination for Jamaica and the Caribbean. It could possibly be one of the top destinations, if not the top destination for the Caribbean, the English-speaking Caribbean, that is. So we can check it out and let you know, but definitely a very nice strip. Ocho Rios should have something similar to that, as well as Negril. Those are the top three tourist areas or destinations in Jamaica. But we have videos up at Harmony Beach Park. You should check it out. It's really nice.